How to fix Valorant Vanguard error easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. First, just type here device manager, and then just now go to display, make sure to update all those drivers here, and after that go to processors and update your processor driver. If you want to update it, all you need to do just right click, update driver, and search automatically for drivers, and that's it. Make sure your driver is updated, and that's it. And after that, all you need to do just right click here, open task manager, and then scroll down until you find this one, Vanguard user mode. Click on it and click end task, and now just restart your PC, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.